my channel. Yeah, I upload usually 4 times a week, but a lot of times I upload every single day. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, this is the channel for you. I do a wig coaching sort of series where I do wig tips and Wigs 101. So today we are going to be comparing lace front wigs to lace parting wigs. What are the differences, why you might choose one or the other, or a mixture of both. So if that's something that you would like to know about, this is what we're doing today. So let's start with a lace front wig. So lace front wig, and this is a lace front wig where you can see that there is lace here, which I have cut off, but you'll see some lace coming with this wig, okay? And it can be a combination of sort of harder lace, which they call French lace, which can be a little bit scratchy, or soft lace, which is Swiss lace, or somewhere sort of in the middle. Softer lace sometimes is going to require you to tack it down a little bit because it's going to lift, but it will blend into your hairline a little bit better. The lace front is meant to do that. It's meant to blend in with your natural hairline so that it does look more natural than a wig without a lace front hairline. So in the front, you can see a little bit here, you'll have the lace, and they can be in different ways. Like, so some of them will have ear-to-ear lace. Some of them may have what's called free parting, which is lace in a larger section so that you can part it anyway. But you can see these hairs in the front are hand tied, so they're very, very customizable in terms of how that sort of hairline will look. Lace front wigs are getting very sophisticated in synthetic wigs, so that's really, really nice. And like I said, you can have sort of an ear-to-ear lace, you could have temple-to-temple lace, you could have lace that goes back far. You'll see it called like 4x4, 13x4. Those are just the dimensions of how much lace you have, and wherever you have lace is where you can customize. Pros of a lace front wig is that it looks more natural than one that isn't a lace front. They will usually come, at least some of them will come more ready to wear or more customizable in general, so that once you get it to where you want it to be, it's going to look great, and then you don't have to keep messing with it. And there is a lot of styling options like this one. Like, I can pull this up off my face. I can do sort of sideburns if I want. I could do sort of like a top knot. So there's things that I can do where if I pull it away from my face, now this isn't tacked down, but if I pull it away from my face, you're not going to instantaneously know that it's a wig. So there are styling options. Some cons is wherever you have the lace, over time it can stretch and loosen. I have a bunch of charisma wigs that are ear-to-ear lace and then often have a lot of lace that come back, and I do notice that over time they do become loosened, stretched out, if you will. And the other con to a lace front wig is that they are, wherever the lace is, it's more delicate. If you're plucking or styling or even gluing it down or washing, you can tear the lace, and once you really do that, you are kind of ruining the wig. So those are some pros and cons to a lace front wig. Lace parting wig can come in a couple different scenarios. You can have a lace part where it's a full cap up until the part. I have a whole playlist of lace parting wigs, and then it's just lace right in the parting area. You can have a skin top parting, which is basically a fake scalp. It's a full cap wig, meaning no lace front. But it does give that illusion. So some pros to that is that a lot of lace parting wigs are just easy to wear. You just put them on, go. There's not a lot of fuss. You don't have to worry about cutting off lace. But a con to that is like you can't always like pull them back. Like you could create baby hairs and things to cover. But this is going to be a full cap where you're actually going to see a line of demarcation. So you don't have as much styling options with a lace parting wig. So yeah, so that's just like a pros and cons. With a lace parting wig, it could be easier, maybe better for a beginner, but you're not going to be able to pull it off of your face. You are going to make sure that you're going to need to make sure that you do camouflage where the cap is, but they're fast, they're easy, and lace parting wigs are coming. They've come so far over the last several years. So like I said, I have a full lace parting playlist that I will put down below. That is what I have to say about lace front versus lace parting. If you have additional information, tips, tricks, whatever that you want to say about either lace fronts, lace parting, or both, put that down below. If there is another Wigs 101 topic that you would like me to discuss, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.